Hey, today we're going to be working on our belly, trying to get rid of that stubborn belly fat. It's not easy. So we're doing a simple move with single legs up and over to now putting both legs together, lifting them up and over using that lower stomach. And then we're going to go into a little split very slightly and meet in the middle, taking both feet and meet it to the middle to work that lower stomach. You're kind of working a whole stomach, but you're going to be working all both. So now we're going with a light little crunch up to the top, alternating hand, hitting that dumbbell so we can know to get up, get those shoulders off of the mat. Make sure you are breathing. Hold the stomach in as tight as you can, making sure that your back, especially the lower part of the back, is all the way on that mat. Then you're going to use your dumbbell and press all the way to the top. Keep pressing forward. You got this. So these ones definitely target your upper stomach. So if you hold that stomach in as tight as you can, breathe up. As you go down, breathe in and breathe out at the top. Then we go right into scissor kicks, but having those your upper body off of the mat. Do not rush your shoulders. Make sure you are leaning forward. Okay, take your time because we don't want you guys to cause any injuries with hitting your leg against that dumbbell, which I had done a few times in fact. So now we're doing up and over. Bring the legs all the way over that dumbbell and bring it back to the top. Okay, try to hold that stomach in as tight as you can. Just 25 seconds and make sure you breathe in, breathe out. Here we go. So now we're going up and over both legs. Take your time. Try to do as many as you can. Let me know in the comments like whether this workout was helpful to you. And let me know which one did you like the best. Which one that you found out was more effective for you and which one you still working on. So I love this up and over, meeting in the middle, separating the legs and just clap right in the middle using your legs, okay? You are using your stomach. As you guys can see, my stomach is definitely was feeling the pressure. Yes, but we know that those results is going to get there. So in and out. This is like a V up. So you're going in and out, making sure you are bringing those knees as close to the chest as you can, with also slightly working your arms too as you bring the dumbbell down to meet together with your knees. Okay, now we're going into the Russian twist, which really working those obliques. Tell you the truth, I also had one leg resting while one leg was slightly off of the mat to add more tension. Okay, you guys, if this is the last workout you want to do tonight, thank you so much. Please subscribe and I'll see you on the next.